Welcome to Health Hub, your reliable source for health information. Please note, this video is intended for personal use or study only. Today we're delving into the complex and intriguing world of our immune system. It's our body's unsung hero, tirelessly working to keep us healthy and safe from a wide array of harmful substances. But remember, while we strive to provide accurate and comprehensive information, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional for more detailed or personalized advice. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of our immune system. The immune system is our body's protective shield against harmful substances like bacteria and viruses. Just as a medieval castle had its knights and archers, our body has its own warriors, the white blood cells. These cells are always on the lookout, ready to attack any foreign substances they encounter. They're like the guardians of our health, tirelessly patrolling our bodies to keep us safe. But these cells do more than just fight off invaders. They also repair damage caused by these harmful substances. Imagine a team of skilled craftsmen tirelessly fixing the wear and tear on the castle walls. That's what our white blood cells do, repairing the damage to keep our bodies healthy and functioning well. But our immune system isn't just about these tiny warriors. It's a comprehensive defense system with both external and internal lines of defense. The external defenses are like the castle walls and moat, designed to keep invaders out. This includes our skin, which acts as a physical barrier, and our mucous membranes, which trap harmful particles. Inside the body, our internal defenses spring into action when invaders manage to breach our external defenses. This is where our white blood cells truly shine, acting as the knights in the castle, battling the invaders and protecting the kingdom that is our body. But even the best defense system can be overwhelmed if it doesn't know friend from foe. So, how does our body distinguish between its own cells and foreign invaders? Well, there's a fascinating mechanism at play here, involving antigens, which are like identification badges worn by cells. With such an extensive defense system, how does our body differentiate between self and foreign cells? Let's find out. Our immune system is extremely intelligent. It uses antigens on cell surfaces to distinguish between self and foreign cells. Antigens, if you're wondering, are like little flags or identifiers that cells carry. Our own cells have specific antigens that tell our immune system, hey, I'm one of the good guys. But when a cell with foreign antigens enters our body, it's like a red flag to our immune system, signaling intruder alert. This intricate system of recognition allows our immune system to swiftly react to foreign cells. And how does it react? Through a series of immune responses. One such response is inflammation. This isn't just the swelling you see when you sprain your ankle. On a microscopic level, inflammation is a process where our immune system increases blood flow to the area, bringing in more white blood cells to tackle the foreign cells. Another fascinating response is the production of antibodies. Picture the antibodies as the immune system's specially trained soldiers. They are produced by B cells, one of the key components of our immune system, and are designed to lock onto specific foreign antigens. Once an antibody attaches to a foreign cell, it marks that cell for destruction, like painting a target on an enemy. But here's the real kicker. Our immune system is not only reactive, but also proactive. It's constantly on the lookout, patrolling our bodies for these foreign antigens. This vigilance helps it to respond quickly and efficiently when a foreign cell is detected, keeping us safe from most harmful substances. Now that we understand how our immune system identifies threats, let's look at how it remembers past invaders. Memory cells are the immune system's record keepers. They remember past pathogens and provide immunity against future infections. You see, when we first encounter a pathogen, our immune system wages a battle, and in the process, creates these memory cells. They are like the immune system's personal historians, cataloging the details of every pathogen they've ever met. Now imagine these memory cells as a library of most wanted criminals, complete with detailed records of their appearances and behaviors. If one of these pathogens dares to show up again, our immune system doesn't need to scramble. It can swiftly pull up the record and launch a targeted response. It's precisely this efficiency that keeps us from getting sick from the same pathogen twice. But here's the catch. For our immune system to make these memory cells, it first needs to encounter the pathogen. and that usually means getting sick. This is where vaccinations come into play. Vaccinations are a clever way of introducing our immune system to a pathogen without the full-blown disease. They carry harmless versions of the pathogen or parts of it, enough for our immune system to recognize it as foreign. When we get vaccinated, our immune system responds as if it's a real infection. It creates memory cells for this new pathogen, ready to defend us if we ever encounter the real deal. It's like giving our immune system a head start in a race. We're preparing it for a specific virus, so if and when that virus does show up, our immune system is not caught off guard. It can quickly pull up the memory and launch a swift and efficient response. Vaccinations are a testament to the brilliance of our immune system and our ability to leverage its memory function for our health and well-being. But what happens when our immune system makes a mistake and attacks our own cells? Let's explore this next. Sometimes our immune system can mistakenly attack our own cells, leading to what we call autoimmune diseases. This happens when the immune system, in an ironic twist, fails to distinguish between foreign invaders and the body's own cells. It's like a loyal guard dog that suddenly turns on its owner. Autoimmune diseases are a group of disorders wherein the body's defense system starts a civil war, so to speak. The immune system, in its confusion, produces antibodies that instead of fighting infections, attack the body's own tissues. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and type 1 diabetes are all examples of autoimmune diseases. Now you might wonder, what causes this friendly fire within the body? Well, there are many factors that can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of autoimmune diseases. Allergies, certain diseases, and even some treatments can compromise the immune system's ability to differentiate between self and non-self. It's also important to note that the immune system, like a fine wine, matures over time. Children, for instance, develop immunity through exposure to pathogens. Infants even receive an initial dose of protection from maternal antibodies. Over time, the frequency and severity of infections usually decrease as the immune system learns and adapts. Vaccinations play a crucial role in this learning process. They introduce the immune system to a harmless version of a pathogen, allowing it to create a memory of that invader. This prepares the immune system to fight the real deal should it ever invade the body. So that's a quick tour of our immune system, a complex and vital part of our health. We've covered a lot today, from the basic functions of the immune system to its complex mechanisms. We dove into the amazing world within our bodies, where white blood cells are the unsung heroes, relentlessly working to keep us healthy. We learned about the fascinating process of how our immune system distinguishes between self and foreign cells, acting as a meticulous gatekeeper. We also explored the concept of memory cells and how they provide immunity against future infections, a principle upon which vaccinations are based. Moreover, we've touched on the subject of autoimmune diseases, where the immune system, in an unfortunate twist, turns against the body's own cells. We highlighted the factors that can weaken our immune system and emphasized the importance of maintaining its health to reduce the risk of infections. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards action. We encourage you to continue learning about your health and the importance of a strong immune system. It's an investment in your well-being that will pay dividends in the form of vitality and longevity. Thank you for joining Health Hub today. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Stay healthy and see you next time.